Hey guys, welcome to Chris Hansen Barbecue. First things first, I want to say thank you to Kevin at Man Kitchen Recipes. He sent me some cool stickers. Thank you for helping me get my sticker collection going. I encourage everybody to go check out Man Kitchen Recipes. They have great recipes on there. Kevin seems like an awesome guy. I've been following him for a little while now. He does some great cooks with a nice southwestern flair. And I just hope that one day I get to meet him and we could sit down, have a beer and some barbecue, and everything will be nice. I just know it. He's just a great guy, and guys, check him out, please. Secondly, hope everyone had a great Thanksgiving. You know, it's time to be with family, time to just relax and have fun. Unfortunately, my daughter, she was in the hospital Thanksgiving morning. She's okay now. And then I learned, fortunately, right now, today, my best friend, he's in ICU with COVID. Now, guys, listen, you're against the vaccination, whatever, that's all cool. You know, I support in freedom of choice. However, I just want you to know this is real. I'm a first responder. I've dealt with this in and out, countless deaths I've dealt with from day one. It is real. Take precautions. Do what you think is necessary. But just so you know, this is real. So anyway, this is some old number 7. This is to my best friend, Will. Love you, brother. So today's recipe, we're doing some chicken caprese. It's a great recipe, very inexpensive, healthy, very healthy. You could always cut back that cheese a little bit if you want. You could always opt for some fresher ingredients, you know. But this is a very inexpensive recipe that's delicious. And I encourage everyone to try it out. It's healthy, it's delicious, very cheap to make. You don't need all that salt, fat, sugar for a recipe to taste good. You can make something like this and it's gonna be tremendous. Well guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy. First up, I'm using breasts. All right, so we got our chicken breasts. 2 breasts is small. I'm happy with them though. That's all we're gonna need. I'm gonna just take my breasts. All here, chicken fingers. All right, so first things first, got our breasts. I'm throwing it right on a paper plate. It's gonna make for some easy cleanup. Pour a little olive oil on top. Got some extra virgin olive oil. Now with this, we're just using this for a binder, for binder purposes. That's it. That's it. I'm just gonna smear it all around. All right. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna add a little seasoning to the chicken. So here I got a little salt, pepper, a little Italian seasoning. It was a mix. I got that. And a little red pepper. Red pepper. It's going to bring add a little heat to this. Not too much. Just a little something. You know, sometimes less is more. But anyway, I'm just going to sprinkle it on. That's it. The other side. Yeah, this one's, that's good. I'm just going to finish up this one. All right. All right, good stuff. So at this time, we're just going to take our chicken, put it off to the side. And we're going to start with our tomatoes. All right, so I'm using this pan here. I got a container of grape tomatoes. I cut them in half, as you can see. We're just going to dump them in. I got 2 slices of red onion. So all I'm going to do, so I'm just going to quarter them. This is going to add some good sweetness to the dish. Just going to quarter them, throw them in. Nice, nice. All right. Now, next, if you got fresh garlic, go with it. I ran out, so I'm using some minced garlic that, you know, you can pick up at Costco. I'm gonna go with a nice heaping tablespoon because I love garlic, and garlic is good for you. It's good for that heart. All right. And at this time, we're going to grab some olive oil again. I'm going to go with about a tablespoon. We're going to toss in. Oh, excuse me, that was my phone. Sorry about that. So we got a tablespoon of olive oil. We got some balsamic vinegar. Going to want to go for a tablespoon of that. Nice. That's going to bring some awesome flavor, some great sweetness. Also on top of that, it's going to help caramelize everything very nicely. All right, if you got fresh basil, definitely add it. I don't, so I'm using some dried. So I'm just going to sprinkle a little basil on top. That's it. That's it. Just a little bit. Good to go. Last but not least, got some kosher salt. I'm going to sprinkle a little kosher salt on top too. Not too much. I'm trying to watch my salt intake. So, right now, this is done. We're just going to put this off to the side. We're going to throw our chicken on the grill and wait until our chicken's done. Then you're going to see what we're going to do. We're going to do some magic here. It's going to come out delicious. Stay tuned. So I just put these on about 2 minutes ago. We're going to cook them to 165. 165. All right, we're going to cook it indirect. Got all the coals pushed to one side. If you're doing it on a propane gas grill, you want to go for like at least 400 to 500 the temperature. It's going to be hot. All right, guys. So the chicken breast is ready. I pulled them off at 165. Don't go over. Try to stay right there because you don't want to dry it out. All right. So what I'm doing today is I'm going to cut them like little medallions. These are small breasts, so they're going to be more like little strips. So I'm just going to cut them. I'm not letting them cool down. It would be a nicer cut if I did. But anyway, right now I put the tomatoes out on the grill. So the tomatoes are going. We're cutting the chicken. We're going to get some good caramelization on those tomatoes and onions. That's it. I can try a piece of this. Oh man, that's a home run. I could just eat it just like that. I can put it on a salad. Oh man, this is so good. But anyway, so we're just going to add this once they start caramelizing a little bit more. It's a windy day out today, so I'm going to kind of limit the outdoor video. But anyway, guys, we'll be back. You can see they caramelized up pretty nice. So at this point, we're going to go. Going to add our chicken in. Now all we're going to do, stir it all together. We want that chicken nicely coated. Oh man, it smells so good. Garlic, onions, the herbs. All right. So as you can see, everything is coated nicely right now. At this point, I'm gonna take some mozzarella cheese. and throw it on top. Try to get that chicken coated. That's it. Nothing too crazy. We'll close it up. Let it go for a couple.